Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students. We create activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and maths. Hi, thank you for joining us to learn with us today. My name is Trusty Patel, and today we will understand the concept of number line of whole numbers, which starts from 0 to whatever number you want, and we will perform mathematical operations like addition and subtraction on the same. Today, we will understand the concept of number line. Do you know what is a number line? A number line is a very simple line which has whole numbers on it placed on equal distances. And in today's activity, we will use the number line to perform addition and subtraction. So let's just begin with the concept. First, I will make you understand what is a number line and how to draw it. In order to draw a number line, we will draw a straight line on the white piece of paper, putting arrows on both the sides. Generally, number line is of whole numbers which starts from 0. So we will put a 0 here, and at equal distances we will write the different numbers starting from 0 to whatever digit we want. For this video, I will be using a number line till 10. So I will make marks at equal distances 8, 9 and 10. Here is our whole number line ranging from 0 to 10. Now let's just perform an activity on this. So let's just take a question. First is 3 plus 4 is equals to dash. How will you use number line to calculate this? So let's just take our first digit, which is 3, and I will jump 3 steps from 0. Count with me. It's first step, second step and third step. And next, the second digit is 4. So I will count 4 steps from the number 3. So let's just jump 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the answer to this question is 7. Similarly, try performing addition on this two number using the number line and let me know the answer in the comment section. Also, we can use this number line for the purpose of subtraction. So let's just draw a number line here. Put 10 whole numbers. You can extend the number line to the negative numbers as well. I will draw the number line till 8 and let's just take a question. Let's just do 7 minus 2. In order to find the answer, we will take 7 jumps forward for the first digit. Here the first digit is 7. So we will take 7 jumps in the forward direction. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And for subtraction, we will take the jumps in the negative direction. So here it is 2. We will take 2 jumps forward. So this is my first jump and this is my second jump. I am reaching to 5. So the answer to this question is 5. Now try to perform subtraction on two numbers. Let's say 9 minus 4 is equals to this, and let me know the answer in the comment section. Now let's just perform a small activity. For this activity, you will need a scissor, a glue stick, a pen and 2 color papers. Here I have taken orange and yellow color paper. You can take any 2 color paper which you want. I will be introducing this concept to you with the help of the train and coaches. So very first, I will cut a small strip of paper of orange color. And I will also cut a small strip of paper from yellow color paper, but it will be little broader this way. Now I will make small compartment of this yellow sheet. So I will just put the marks this way, which will be the compartments of our train. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we will put the numbers on this. For the engine of the train, I will take this orange sheet of paper, draw the engine on this, and cut it with the scissor. So we are ready with our engine, our chain. For this activity, I will stick this chain on the back. So for that, I will use the glue stick. To stick the chain on which I will be stitching my compartments. So I will use the glue stick and stick it this way. Let's just take any two number. Let's take 3 plus 2 is equals to dash. So I will take all my cards outside and start. So what is the very first digit here? It's 3. So I will take 1, 2 and 3 number card, and I will stick this on my compartment. What's the next digit? It is 2. So I will take 2 more compartments, which is 4 and 5, and I will try to stick this on my chain. So the answer to this question, 3 plus 2 is 5. And now I will use my glue stick to stick all these compartments on the train. So let's just begin with the very first compartment, that is 1. Now, for the purpose of practice, perform addition of these two numbers, 7 plus 3, using the train. Let me know the answers in the comment section. For this video, we will do perform subtraction on two numbers. Let's say 5 minus 3. So for this, in order to perform subtraction, you will need to make a train which has 5 compartments. I already have that train. You can make a new train or you can use the same one which has 5 compartments. And the second digit is 3. So we will cut 3 digits from the end. So I will use the scissor to cut the digits. We will cut 3 digits from the end. So let's say this is my train and I will just go and remove 1, 2 and 3 digits from the end, and here I am with the answer. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. For the purpose of practice, you will try to perform subtraction on this question. Let's say 7 minus 4, and let me know the answers in the comment section. Thank you for joining with us to learn with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more with us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more such fun videos. Till then, see ya!